Hello everyone, welcome to new video series in which we talk about the complete family creation in Revit. Okay, so let's start. Today we talk about the user interface in Revit family. Okay, you will see first you will see this welcome screen, project related anything you can do it from here, you will see, and but family related anything you can do it from here. Okay, you will see. Let's talk about family, new family. Click on the new, you will see some templates. Family templates is already by default there to make your work easy. I will tell you the path. Go here, program data, Autodesk Revit 2023, will click, you will see here family template. Click here, you can see English Imperial, click here. I will see some of the templates. If you want to create column, template is there. Okay, for furniture also template is here. So we talk about the generic model. Click here, open it. It's not necessary that this template is available in your system also, it's depend upon the installation. Okay, you will see the interface like this. Okay, everything is same as the Revit. You can see here this bar is also same. Everything is, you can model here, you can use this interface, reference plane, work set. Okay, only difference is project browser. You will see in that Revit you will see floor, but here you will see reference level and all. Okay, this is how the starting interface of the Revit to create family. Okay, in the next video we talk about the extrusion. Okay, thank you for watching the video.